Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Celebrity Eclipse, a Solstice-class ship launched in 2010. It's spacious enough that although at capacity it carries about 2,800 passengers, it never really feels too crowded. Our cruise left out of Buenos Aires on a 14-day itinerary to Antarctica, but we are focusing our review on the ship itself and not on shore excursions. So, if you are thinking about booking a cruise on the Celebrity Eclipse or any of their Solstice-class ships, this review will be helpful for you. Embarcation. Embarcation is usually simple, but for our cruise, storm damage necessitated a change in the check-in area. Just be sure to check your email for notification on changes to embarkation. We received notification 3 days in advance of the new location and check-in process. After making our way through the long line at the temporary check-in area, we handed over our luggage and boarded the shuttle bus to take us to the terminal. In the terminal, our passports were checked, our photos were taken for our cruise cards, and we made our way to the ship. Once on board, you will head straight for your room where your luggage and cruise cards will be waiting for you. We booked a standard stateroom with a balcony. The room was fairly spacious with a comfortable double bed, a couch, a desk, and a flat-screen television. A fully stocked fridge, as well as a safe, were also provided. The storage for clothing is extremely generous. Not only is there a closet for hanging, but there are drawers for folded clothing, and above the bed is storage space for even more clothing. Once you've unpacked your suitcases, they will fit in comfortably right under the bed. Because we were hitting both hot weather and freezing weather on our 14-day cruise to Antarctica, we did store our cold weather clothing for Antarctica in our suitcases and only brought out the winter clothing once the weather had turned cold several days into the cruise. The bathroom is small, with a shower and various toiletries. After unpacking, most passengers either explore the ship, head for the buffet and bars, or jump into the pools and jacuzzis. Pools and outdoor spaces. The Celebrity Eclipse has a large outdoor pool with 4 jacuzzis. Surrounding the pool are more than enough sun loungers. Towels are handily located in large towel stands. Blankets are also provided when the weather turns cold. Directly next to the outdoor pool is an adult-only solarium with an indoor pool and rows of comfortable sun loungers. Because the solarium is climate-controlled, it is the perfect place to enjoy yourself in any type of weather, but particularly during the cooler days. If you don't want to sit by the pool, you can enjoy the outdoors at the lawn club with large expanses of green lawn. You can play bowls or practice your putting. Right next to the green spaces, you can sign up for an extra fee to take a glass blowing class. They have samples of all the beautiful glass objects you can make, along with a brilliant selection of colors you can choose from. For outdoor exercise, there is a jogging track around the upper deck, although I mostly saw people taking a stroll around the track in the early mornings. Early mornings is also the best time for a quiet walk around the other upper deck areas of the ship, such as the Solstice deck. If you enjoy basketball, racquetball, or other outdoor games, you'll find a small outdoor court at the front of the ship, protected by netting. The interior spaces for relaxing. Inside the ship, there are many places to relax. The heart of the ship is the gorgeous atrium midship. The ground floor is called the Grand Foyer, with marble floors and glass elevators shooting up to the various public spaces looking down on the Grand Foyer. There is the library where you can relax with a book. Also off the atrium is the games room where you can play cards or board games. Or you can sink into the comfy couches in Team Earth, where you can find a huge world globe to plot out future trips. No matter how nice these relaxing spaces are, the star of the show is really the huge Sky Observation Lounge, which is situated at the front of the ship and has panoramic windows offering stellar views of the ocean. If you arrive early, you can have a seat directly in front of the windows. The restaurants, Ocean View Cafe. Buffets for breakfast, lunch, and dinner are held in the Ocean View Cafe with large panoramic windows and plenty of seating. Celebrity is known for its food, and the buffet will not disappoint cruisegoers. The food is of good quality and is certainly better than the food offered on similarly sized large cruise liners. The menus change every day, although there are staples that you will always find, like salads, fruits, cold cuts, pastas, pizzas, and more. The best food in the buffet is made to order. You can get made to order steak and fish grilled as you like. You can also have a delicious stir-fry made to your specification. Even pizza can be made to order if you ask for a pizza type that is not available on the buffet, like a pepperoni pizza with extra cheese or bell peppers. All made-to-order items generally take upwards of 15 minutes, depending upon the line. The wait is definitely worth it. Near the end of the cruise, Celebrity will pull out all the stops on the dinner buffet and you will be treated to shrimp, gorgeous desserts, a chocolate fountain, and more. This is definitely the best buffet of the cruise. You should not miss it. If you want to dine at a restaurant instead of the buffet, you have many choices. Included for no additional charge is the 2-story Moonlight Sonata restaurant. There are 2 separate lines to enter the restaurant, one for reservations and one without reservations. Expect to wait 15 or 20 minutes if you don't have reservations. The view is fantastic, but the food here was a disappointment, and so we eventually gave up eating here. Service was slow, and the food was uninspired. The feeling of lingering over a meal that was so mediocre was very unappealing. For Aqua-class guests, the stunning blue restaurant is available and has fantastic views of the ocean. Guests staying in suites can eat at Lumine. Specialty dining is another option you have, and it was, by and large, extremely good. Murano Tuscan Grill and Cuisine are the main specialty dining venues. Specialty dining, of course, has a flat fee attached to it, but discounts are available if you pre-book or book for the first evening. Also, if the specialty dining rooms are not busy, you might hear ad hoc discounts announced by a staff member as you are exiting the breakfast buffet. We received a 30% discount when we signed up for dinner this way, but we've heard of discounts up to 50% off. Moreno, the classic French restaurant, has the best food on the ship, and we ate there several times. You are encouraged to order multiple appetizers, and in fact, you can also order several main courses and desserts. We particularly enjoyed the Chateaubriand and the soufflés. Service is excellent, and some of the menu items are cooked tableside by your waiter. The Tuscan Grill is situated at the back of the ship, with views over the ocean. The grill serves very good steak and pastas, and once again, you are encouraged to order as much as you want. Cuisine features the La Petite Chef, a 3D immersive experience where a tiny animated chef creates each course of your meal. It's fun to watch as the chef creates animated dishes right on your plate. Once the animation is complete for a particular course, the waiters bring in the cooked course for you to enjoy. The evening ends with an animated fireworks display on your table. However, once you've had the experience, you would not return for the food as it is just average. Sushi on 5 is another specialty dining restaurant and serves up sushi, which was just okay. For coffee, pastries, and gelato, you can head to Café El Bacio, a pretty cafe with views over the ocean. If you don't have the drink package, you will have to pay for the coffee and teas. Finally, if you are enjoying the pool or the solarium, you have other easy choices for food. The Spa Cafe, located off the solarium, offers a light breakfast and snacks and serves up healthier choices as well as juices. On deck overlooking the pool is the Mast Grill, serving hamburgers and hot dogs. Drinking. For drinks, you have many choices spread out throughout the ship. Outside by the pool, you have the pool bar, while at the back of the ship is the Sunset Bar with views over the ocean. World-class bar is for those who want a wide variety of amazing cocktails. Wine lovers will head to Cellar Masters, which offers wine tastings from across the world. For those who prefer martinis, head to the Martini Bar with an ice-topped bar to help keep your drink extra cold. Or go a few steps away to Crush with an ice-filled table center for a selection of great vodkas. For those who love live classical music, you should head to the Ensemble Lounge, a dark, atmospheric lounge, offering delicious drinks while you soak in classical music. There are even more drinking venues, but you get the point. Celebrity has created unique spaces to ensure that, no matter your mood, you will find your favorite spots to enjoy a drink while on board. Entertainment. Celebrity offers many entertainment options, from shows to lectures to movies and more. Most of the shows and lectures took place in the large Eclipse Theater, while movies were in the much smaller Celebrity Central venue. For events at Celebrity Central, arrive early as seating runs out. Since we were on an Antarctica cruise, daytime lectures in the Eclipse Theater focused on Antarctica history and wildlife. The speakers ranged from good to excellent, and there was always plenty of seating. Shows in the evening were a real mixed bag. The quality of the evening shows was quite surprising, as other cruise lines offer much better evening entertainment compared to Celebrity. Celebrity just didn't seem to prioritize the shows, and we left 2 shows early on because of the poor quality of the productions. However, they did offer an evening of really great acrobatics. Other evening entertainment included dancing, live music, and gambling. For dancing, Celebrity has Quasar, a disco with flashing lights. The Sky Observation Lounge also hosts dancing evenings. Dance instruction generally takes place in the Grand Lobby. The Grand Lobby also hosts singers, but the quality of the singers on our cruise was definitely not the best. The casino picks up at nighttime with slots, craps, and poker, among other games. During the day, the casino is very quiet with a handful of people playing the slots. Shopping. Shopping opportunities are a bit limited. If you forgot something like a hat or sunscreen, you can pick up those items in the shops. You can also buy souvenirs to bring home with you, but if you are looking for luxury shopping, you won't find much. The closest to luxury are used handbags from Chanel and Louis Vuitton. You can also find a selection of watches. If you collect lithographs, you can browse the art selection aboard and attend art auctions, where you can pick up a lithograph for around $1,000 depending on bids. Liquor and cigars are also on offer in the shops. Fitness center and spa. The cruise ship also offers a large fitness center with all the cardio and weightlifting equipment you would expect. A spa also provides a very good menu of services. Plus, you can sometimes buy day passes to the spa's Persian garden, with heated beds overlooking the ocean, as well as a steam room and rainfall showers. Persian garden is included for Aqua Class guests. Overall, so who is this cruise for? Most of the people on this cruise were either retired or nearing retirement. Most were with a partner or a group. However, there were also families, solo travelers, and younger couples on this cruise. If you have decided on a destination, want to experience life on a large cruise ship, and are considering your options, Celebrity could be at the top of your list. The food is the best you are going to get on a large cruise liner, and while some of the shows and music were a disappointment, there should be enough to keep you busy throughout the day and into the evening to make up for these deficiencies. We have sailed on Celebrity a number of times, and it is our favorite of all the large cruise liners. The Celebrity Eclipse is a well-run and maintained ship with staff who are friendly and helpful. We hope we have helped you make your decision on whether the Celebrity Eclipse might be the right ship for you. If we have helped, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next week!